Hello everyone. I hope everyone having a great and blessed Sunday. Guys, I know it's been a while, but today's video is a little funny video. Yeah, you guys can laugh, but don't laugh too loud that I can hear you. Cause I was laughing at myself, guys. And you probably gonna say, well, Debbie, you should have asked and looked up under the hood before you brought the car. I'm guilty. Guys, I was so excited I didn't even look up under the hood. So guys, somebody asked me to jump them off. We was looking for that battery everywhere, all up under the hood. We seen a box. It had like a red cable. So I thought the battery was there. Open it up, lift the little black cover off. It was where all the fuses was. So here we go, ladies. Ladies. We looking for the battery. I'm like, oh God, I'm so embarrassed to even ask somebody. Wow, guys, because I didn't even look up under the hood when I bought this car. I'm telling you, I was just that excited. So guys, for a couple of days, when I put a rug up, was pulling up all the floor, guys, this is where I found the battery. The battery is right here. So I already had bought this flooring. What I'm thinking about doing is taking this up and just put down those, like you can get that rug, square rugs. You just put them down. I think it's like 8 in a box. So I think I'm gonna get them. So if I need to get to the battery, all I have to do is just pull one of those rugs up. That's what I'm thinking about getting. But go ahead and laugh. But have you ever, I didn't know a battery would be inside behind the passenger seat. I laughed at myself. I was like, oh Lord, once I tell you guys that, you're going to say, Debbie, you didn't even look up under the hood. I'm guilty. I didn't look up under the hood at all. I don't know. I believe what people say. I take their word. So that have gotten me in a lot of trouble with cars, believing in the salesman, But guys, I am working. I found this cabinet for $20. So I spray painted a metallic. But I'm still working on it. I got some more things I want to do to it. I just put this on here today to give it like a mirror effect. And this is just what you put on cakes. Put a cake on it. I got it at the Dollar Tree for 99 cents. I got this butterfly there too. Guys, I like butterflies. Love butterflies. And just a piece of wood. I just found this paper at the 99-cent store. I liked it. The black and the grayish in it. So I just put this wood right here to keep the things in. So I'm going to have to get one to put right here. And back here I'm just going to have a sink. I'm going to put a sink right here. And I'm going to make it like an L shape to here. I'm going to put my clothes. Which you see, I'm keeping this seat in. So I can use it. This is where I sit. I enjoy myself sitting here. Guys, somebody let me borrow this fan. It works real good. It turns, it goes, follow me wherever I can go. And it runs by UBS. Once it's charged, you don't even have to, it's charged UBS, and that's it. And I want to thank 602 Outdoor Adventure for sending me this inverter. It works real good, guys. It's say 500 watts. Right now I have 2 fans plugged in. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 UBS cord and 2 sockets here. And my fans are working good. I have this small fan too going to help, circulate air. And I found this found this, I think at the 99-cent store, this little shelf. I'm probably going to put it up here somewhere in front of that window on this ledge here. Yes, this is just going to be a sink if I really don't want to cook in here. But guys, if I do want to cook in here, I'm gonna just surprise you how I'm gonna cook in here. I'm not gonna tell you right now, but you're gonna like it. It's gonna be a surprise. And right now I have my clothes in the front seat and my dirty clothes basket there. I just throw it up in front and I make 2 points, 3 points, or whatever, 4 points. And let me open up. See, I have my food here, my stove that one of my subscribers gave to me. Thank you. And another stove, 602 Outdoor Adventure gave me. Thank you. You can use it. It has its own connector that you can put it on. Put a propane up under here, a can. But this is what I do. I use it like that. It boils water fast, warm up my soup, whatever. I cook it in here and then have like a top. And that's what I use. And I use that a lot with my stove. Got my pan there. I'm watching a little TV, got a couple of sodas here, just some water. I got more water here. This is neat. I found this at the 99-cent store. You can wash dishes and then just, look, it's like a dryer. This is what I use it for, but I'm sure you can rinse, your fruits off and vegetables and just drain it and let it air dry. And I think I'm gonna make this, it's so deep, out of my sink. Yes, but guys, I am working. Oops, that's my soda. I'm doing it. I'm getting there. I'm just taking my time, cause I'm always changing. I don't want to change. I just want to make it my own, make it my home, so I can just relax and just start enjoy, and traveling a little bit and just relaxing and enjoy. I found this little rug at the 99-cent store. The 99-cent store you go in now, it's not 99 cents anymore. And the Dollar Tree. Well, yeah, I found this at Dollar Tree. Excuse me, I'm getting it mixed up. I got this at, see, my bloopers. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25. You used to go in there with $4 and buy $4 and what? Probably 10 cents worth of stuff. Now, it's $1.25. Well, as you can see, I left this seat up. I'm gonna leave it up. I use it. I sit here all the time. I don't think I'm gonna have a permanent bed, but I just reach back here, pull it down like this, so easy, and roll out my bed. It's so soft that I really don't need a thick mattress right now, but I'm gonna get one when I fully make the bed. And right now I have to move that and put my pillow down, kind of go and sleep slanted. Yeah, like that way. But you'll see how I'm gonna make my bed. I'm still gonna keep this part, the seat, but I'm gonna have, you'll see it. I'm not gonna give it away. You'll see it. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding ding, so you won't miss any of my videos, guys. Guess what? Sharing is caring. Thank you guys for all your support. And I love you guys. Have a blessed one. Bye. Look at that. That's nice. I think that's an NV 25 or 35 Nissan. Okay, guys. Oh, my view is here where I relax. I'm just right here, my favorite spot. I found some shade over here, so I'm under here with the door open, fans going, watching, drinking my Coke, having my relaxing long time. I'll talk to you guys later. Until next time. Bye, 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 bye. Love you guys.